Alright, June 6th, 2026, and he's here, 2005. Another southbound here. Let's come out. Repair 2237 again. This time with Canadian Cab C44-9WL 2502. Highlight of the day. Other than the 2674. Why not? I expect her to be on there, but we'll take that. Because there's no DPU light on that, so those lights will have to do. But not bad at all for that roll by, though, respectively. That is going to do it for the U762 41 of the 5th, and we'll do it for the Wreck Repair DPU equipped ES44DC of the 2237, Canadian Cab C44-9WL 2502, and the rear DPU of surviving -9 2674. Once again, off they go to Baton Rouge, Louisiana. And that is going to do it for this video at Ladysmith, Wisconsin for this early evening. Another southbound is following behind the bitumen tar oil loads. And we'll see that in the next upcoming video. Thanks for watching, folks. Have a great evening. Enjoy the rest of this weekend. See you next time, and I'll see you down the main line. See ya, and he's out.